What up? Oh, I can see myself. What's up? What's up? We're just doing a quick behind the scenes vlog. It's 100 degrees in New York right now. So the energy levels, here, like it's non-existent right now. Energy is on 0. But we out here. Nah, we ain't reaching that. What up?
You look kind of like Tinashe, and she's so pretty. Tinashe?
No, too strong.
Let's see the picture.
That's perfect. Ooh. Perfect. Don't get on.
Supposed to catch him.
Oh yeah. Next time.
Great.
That was a pick me up.
How fast can you run? Someone grabs my stuff. How fast can you run?
Not
for
fast
rat.
enough.
Oh.
Raccoons.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a shot.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh no, you go ahead.
I want it to like look more dramatic on that side.
Product shot. You want to come over here? You can stay over here. Okay. Look this way. Okay.
This isn't one way. It's one way.
Yeah, somebody swing out.
This is New York. You got those
Yeah.
speed bikers right here.
cars coming in.
I'll let you my light change. They're coming right now.
Oh, coming now. Everyone get safe real quick.
Smile just a little. Beautiful. There it is.
They're going through too.
You know that's my sister's name?
I love how these girls behind us were like, they stopped the streets. Let's take this to our feet too.
I saw that too. So funny.
After these cars pass.
Nice. Good.
Walk across the street, just kind of do a walk.
Walk across the street?
Yep.
Not gonna be cheap. I'll try.
Come back this way.
There's a
Soon an ambulance.
But somebody's food one. So I'm taking a food in the background. You take a quick cut. Can I take a quick cut? Stop.
What else should I do?
Once you put your hand underneath the flower like you're smelling it, and just look at it lovingly. Hand up, right, left hand on hip.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, and left hand on hip. There you go.
My left hand, my hip.
Yep. Smell it. Big smile at it.
I just feel like if I was smelling it, I would be like this.
How would you be like?
Like this or something.
Okay. And then big smile at me. Good.
Anyone else want me smelling the flower? Good. You want me to smile?
Of course.
The nose out?
Yes.
Like across my eyes? Look at that, he got some merch for you.
Table paper to drink.
What's that?
That's beautiful.
Oh, we're just doing.
Did I pop out right? What do you want me to do? Pop on too? Like a,
Yeah.
like a stalker?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That works.
Tell me the story.
Hey, that's what I was thinking.
Halloween decoration.
Like Mike Myers.
Yeah.
What? What? Get over here. No. Young lady. I like your tattoo. I like the flower.
Oh, yeah? Yep. 28.
Why are you running from my
Workout.
Let's get this at night because I'm still a little bit scared. You'll crop that in.
I will.
You'll crop that.
I got you.
We want to keep
Yeah.
photos here.
We
Move
could move.
on.
You want to keep the necklace on or you want to take it off?
Yeah, let's swap up necklace. And start taking BTS type photos. Look at me. Look at me. Take pictures.
Yeah, I want you to look at the street. Yeah. Street. And look at me. One more time, back in the street.
She's working harder than you. Sorry. She'll be like, I never put nothing in here.
1, 2, 3. Nice.
Anything else before?
Yes, I got one more idea, if you will allow it.
No, love ideas. What idea?
Still on the steps, but using the pillar. I want you to do another keep, but with your hand here. have
Why
your face-
do you guys want me to look like a stalker in all my photos?
Tell the story that I like.
Alright, can I, oh, can you run a shot?
I'm not doing a shot right
Well,
now.
can I get some shots right now?
Yeah.
Great.
Try it.
Do you even want me in the picture?
I'm getting this one.
He's like, I want a picture of the pillar and your nails. That's it, Diana. What do you guys want? Do you want the same thing?
Same thing. Do what you were doing before.
Struck me as a little
Yeah, what you
odd.
did before.
Look,
One
he's
step
like,
down
that's
like
right.
this. One hand low and one step.
Like,
Yeah,
I'm
one
not
step.
the only
Can you do like
one.
one? There you go. Right.
I can't see the vision. I'm sorry. I can't.
Put the one hand high like you did before. Great.
It feels weird, but I guess you gotta.
It's great. It
remind
looks
me
good.
again.
I love that.
Look off across the street. Like across the street.